Alright, welcome back. I'm not a big YouTube star or nothing. I'm just doing this because I know when I'm looking at a new product, I like to see other people's little unboxing videos. I just picked this up from Home Depot, the Ryobi 1600 PSI electric pressure washer. Supposed to be lightweight, portable design, all that kind of good stuff. I also went ahead and bought their little foam blaster, foaming cannon thing to go with it. So we'll see how that works here in a few minutes. So let's open the box. Yes, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Alright, so what do we got? We've got the hose. We've got the nozzle tip is in there, along with, I think that's supposed to be, though. I think the way this one's designed is you can actually hook up an external soap container or whatever, and that's where that goes. It actually attaches to the side of the system itself. There's one part of the wand. There's the system overall itself, not too heavy. And then here is the gun itself. So I'm going to put this stuff together and I'll come back in a minute and see how it works.